welcome back. In this video, we will be learning about Python. So first of all, to access Python, you don't need to download any of the file because in your search bar near Windows option, you may just click that and click IGLE. You may type IGLE and then soon you will see this option. Double click on that and here you will appear this idle shell. So this is what it just gives the answer right away, but we don't want that. Therefore, you have to click on File and New File. Now we don't need this. Now here you got your new file, and here we will be writing our codes. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make a calculator code on Python. Let's get started with our video. So very first thing, you should know some basics of Python like variables, strings, float, and operators, etc. Now let us see how to make. First of all, we will write A. We will assign a variable A and in which we will ask the user to input a value. So we will write integer because we want a number, then input. We'll ask a number, then enter a number. Enter a number. You can even give a single quotation mark. Just give it. And double bracket. Why double bracket? Because here the first bracket is closed and second bracket also need to be closed. Then here, of course, we can't do the operation with a single number, so we will assign a new number. B equals to integer input. Now enter another number, double bracket. So here you'll be getting two numbers. Now if you want to do all the four basic operations simultaneously one by one, then here you can use formulas like this. You will write C equals to A plus B. A plus B. Then further, as you wrote A plus B, you'll press enter and print. Print equals to bracket C. So here print bracket C because C is having addition. Same you have to repeat again and again. So instead of repeating this, we will just copy it down. Copy. Okay. Control Z. No worries. Can't we copy it? Okay, I paste. I click on copy. Here you will simply paste Control V. Enter number. Here we can even. Okay, no need to change variables. Let them remain as it is. But it is necessary to change the operator. You'll multiply. Now here you will print C. So you'll just get the addition. You won't be able to understand whether the answer is the sum or the product or what. So here what you can do is print equals to bracket. You can write the sum is bracket comma can write C. Alright. Now here we will just copy the print, Control C and paste it over here. Control V. So here in the sum we'll write the product is. Now let us check with the two operators. If they are invalid, then I'm having a new idea. So I'll click on the run module. Okay. We need to save it, so I'll save it as Python Okay, it is necessary to use the extension .py. Okay, they are asking me to select this and save it. Now you will see enter a number, let's say 5. Enter another number, let's say 5 again. Enter a number. Okay, I got the point. Let's say 8. Enter the number 8. Look, we are not getting this answer. So maybe this is the problem. Print, okay. We do not need this equal to sign when we are printing anything. Okay, now let's try once. Just click at 5. Enter. Enter number 5. Enter number 5. The sum is 10. And now here you can see enter number, we get into 5, another number 5, and they have told that okay, the addition of these two numbers is 10. Now enter a number, let's say 6. Enter a number 10. Now the product is 60. So intuitively it is asking us about the numbers. Then simply what you can do, as we know we are successful, so you will copy and then paste and then again paste. So we were here the product, so we were here enter a number, enter the number. Now here you can write modulus. You know what is modulus? Modulus is having the percentage sign, which means it gives the remainder. Therefore the remainder is C. Then here again we will change the operator. Instead of multiplication we will divide. So there are 2 slash for division. Therefore the quotient is never mind the spelling, C. Now finally we will write print bracket thank you. You are no, we can't give this, we can't use the, you can't use this short forms. It may think as a comma. You are successful in making calculator. Give bracket. Also remember, as we did the mistake in print, we can't give the equal sign. Now let's run the program by pressing F5. Enter. So undefine string literal detected at -17. Alright. Here I give double quote, here I give single quote, that we were asking this. A single silly mistake also makes sense. I enter a number, now we will enter some heavy numbers. 12. Enter another number, let's say 55. What do we get? 67. Is it right? Yeah, it is definitely. Now enter a number, let's say 78. Enter another number into 98. The product is 7,640. You may cross it. And we cross it. Now here we have to enter another number. Let's say 74. Enter a number 50. Okay. Now see here we are here in this particular formula we are gonna find the remainder. So kindly check it out. Okay. So what I'll do, I will simply write a simple number. Let's say 5. Now what is the remainder? Is remainder 4? Let's check in the calculator. Here you can even open calculator in the Windows search bar. What was the thing? 74 divided by 5. Sorry. We can't. I need to. No. Is it correct? Let us check. I don't think it is. 4. It's showing 1. Okay, it is showing the question, guys. Let's search in Google. So, what is remembered that we get on dividing, that we get on, okay, let it be, on dividing 74 by, what was the number? 74 by 5. Okay. By 5. So here I'm not getting any of the number. Alright, you can search, like you can do it manually, but according to me it is correct. Okay. Then again enter a number. I want to enter number 88, enter number 17, my roll number, and the question is 5. Okay, how? 17 5s up? Alright. Let's see. At least we can get the answer of this particular question in calculator. 17 divided by 88, or 88 divided by 7. I'm so much confused by writing these two numbers. 5.1764 something. It's a non-terminating, non-repeating number. Alright. So let's just give it the 5 number, which is a round off. So thank you. You're successful in making a good calculator. Hope you like this video. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos related to Python. Thank you and bye.